And there's a motion to lift the contempt that was given to these following personnel.
Pag ginusto ho ng mga operatiba ng mga authorities natin gumawa ng kalukuhan, nobody can stop that.
After receiving all the deliverables from the PNP as well as from the private sector of some of our resource persons, I move for the lifting of the contempt and detention.
Okay, before
So
we
move, Mr. Chair.
before we go on that, Congressman
duly
Tulfo,
seconded.
you want to say something?
No, I just duly seconded.
Okay, there's a motion to lift the contempt on the following personnel of the PNP: General Roderick Mariano, Colonel Charlie Cabradilla, Lieutenant Colonel Joel Guevara, Major John Patrick Magsalos, Major Jason Quijana, Sergeant Danilo Desder, Sergeant Roy P. Piquinto, and Sergeant Mark Democrito. We have served, this committee believes that the resolution number 1471 served its purpose. We have lengthily discussed and the subject matter, and as a matter of fact, ay umabot tayo ng how many hearings on this purpose. And we believe that Republic Act 8551 and Republic Act 6975, and also the NBAC resolution regarding the wearing of body-worn camera, the laws that govern these procedures of the police are strong, but unfortunately, it was violated by the same people we have trusted to protect and serve our Filipino community. With that, we will be closing this investigation on Republic Act on the resolution number 1471. And there's a motion to lift the contempt that was given to this following personnel. And this was duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so we will be suspending
Mr. Chair, before
Yes,
Go
before
ahead.
we suspend, the chair would like to acknowledge to recognize Congressman Palma.
yeah, I heard that we are suspending or terminating Resolution 1471.
Yes, we will.
Subject to the approval of the
Of
committee,
course.
and
The
if
committee
there
report.
is or there are papers or documents that would open up again 1471, then we'll do it again. But in the meantime, we will terminate it subject to the approval of the committee while the COMSEC is preparing the committee report. Thank you,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And we have to remind our people, and we have to remind our different agencies of this government, especially under our committee, that we will be on guard of all the violation that will be committed by the different agencies under this committee in order to serve our
Mr. Chair.
our Filipino people. Yes, Congressman
If you
Erwin
would
Tulfo.
please, may I add, this committee did its job. I believe in with this investigation, and we're closing. Well, not closing actually, but rather we're just suspending it. Ang punto ko lamang ho dito, Mr. Chair, we did our job. This committee, wala naman hong problema sa batas, so there's nothing to tinker in aid of legislation, as we usually say. Ang problema lang ho talaga yung tao. Pag ginusto ho ng mga operatiba ng mga authorities natin gumawa ng kalukuhan, nobody can stop that. We have all the laws, we have all the precautions in place. Unfortunately, meron ho mga tao talaga na nasa otoridad, ang mga loko-loko. Let's face that, and nobody can stop that. Kahit pa anong batas ho yan na ginawa natin sa Kongreso, kahit anong pa mga safety measures, wala hong magagawa because yung tao na mismo ang nag-decide to abuse his authority. Yun lang po, Mr.
As a matter of fact,
Chairman.
Congressman Elwin, I tried to review the NBAC resolution regarding the body-worn camera. Several times, I tried to dissect the different section, and I found out that the NBAC resolution is so strong that it was really the procedure on the implementation of the body-worn camera which is in failure, and that's the reason why we will be asking the PNP to strengthen etong sa body-worn camera. And siguro there's a part of us in failure as well because we have not yet approved the version of the body-worn camera which we have to finally approve on the committee level. Kasi nasa level na tayo ng technical working group on the body-worn camera. But of course, what we are following right now is the decision of the Supreme Court regarding the body-worn camera. And I think it is imperative on this committee to approve the body-worn camera bill that had been discussed already in this committee. So,